Welcome everybody to the Game of Thrones Design Challenge. My heart can't take the kind of excitement that's happening. We just finished episode 4, the final season. The season is over and I can't wait for the big battle, the last battle. It's coming. You guys, get ready, channel that energy into some design creativity. Here we go. This is part 3. In part 1, you were challenged with designing a sigil for your favorite house, and in part 2, you designed a word mark for that same house. And now we're gonna put it all together for the most challenging challenge that I can challenge you with thus far. We're putting it all together for the most difficult challenge yet, part 3. But before we get to that, let's announce the winners from challenge 2. So here are the top 5 again. And the winner is Newton Lorente. Congratulations! Woo! Good job. So Newton received 7 points for this round, and the other top 5 received 5 points. So here we are for the final challenge, and here are the details, so pay attention. Design a minimalist poster. What you want to do is to make sure it's thematically linked to the house. What does that mean? You're going to have to come up with a concept. Yes, a concept. You can only use illustrations or graphics. That means typography, shapes, or illustrations. No photos, nothing from the show itself. The dimensions, 24 inches by 36 inches high. Those of you guys in Europe, do the conversion. 24 by 36 inches at 150 DPI. We're going to reference the great Ollie Moss, and this time I'm only going to show you work from one artist so you can see what we're looking for here. One approach is to celebrate the house, the castle, and the lands via a beautiful landscape like this one for J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter. You can take a note from the story itself to illustrate a key moment and illustrate that, as in the Star Wars poster with C-3PO. You can also focus on the character or characters that are most important to this house. Here's an example from RoboCop. Notice the image within an image, the double image. You can try to capture a feeling, something that's abstract, as in this poster for Let Me In. Beautiful stuff. It could be a big idea, like in this one with the Sherlock Holmes, the smoke creating the negative space of the silhouette. This is it, you guys. The game is still wide open. Anybody can take it, so do not give up hope. And even if you didn't enter in challenge 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. You can enter right now and still prove that you are the superior designer in the poster challenge. Here's how to enter. Click on the link below for the details and the template. That's it. Go forth and make a challenge, because in the Game of Thrones, you either win or you die. See you in the future. What is the Jockin saying? Savula Magalas and Magalas Savu. All the Game of Thrones people will know.
You'll be like, what did he say?
Valar McMuffin. Valar Morghulis.
And then what happens? You have to make the special effects.
That's it, dude. That's all we give you, dude. The rest, it's on you. Look up a tutorial, face changing mask. On no budget.